I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, division. Division, number 1, division as distribution. Suppose we have 12 oranges in a basket. If we want to put these oranges equally in 3 trays, we proceed as follows. See, this is first step, 1 orange in each basket, step 2, then again 1 in each basket, then step 3, then this is the step 4. So, step 1, we put 1 orange in each tray. Step 2, we put 1 more orange in each tray. Step 3, we put 1 more orange in each tray. And step 4, we put 1 more orange in each tray. No orange is left after the 4th step. Thus, 12 oranges are equally distributed among 3 trays, each having 4 oranges. This is written as 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. And this is read as I told you, 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Division as repeated subtraction. Consider the following example. A teacher has 10 toffees. She gives 2 toffees to Avanti. How many toffees are left with the teacher? See, 8 toffees are left with her. How? 10 minus 2 is 8. Now, the teacher then gives 2 toffees to Anil. She is left with 6 toffees. That is 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. Then the teacher gives 2 toffees to Amit. Now, she is left with 4 toffees because she had 6 toffees and she gave 2 more to other student. Now she has only 4 toffees. Then the teacher gives 2 toffees to Anita. Now she is left with 2 toffees. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Finally, she gives the leftover toffees to Aman. She has no toffees left. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have subtracted 5 times 2 from 10 to reach 0. See how? 10 minus 2, 8, then 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Further we can't subtract. So, this repeated subtraction fact can be expressed as a division fact as 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Okay. Number 3, relation between division and multiplication. Let us divide 24 marbles among 6 boys using repeated subtraction. See, 24 minus 6 is 18. Okay, let's see how to do it. 24 minus 6 is 18. Now, you will subtract from this number and you will subtract how much? 6, because there are 6 boys. Okay, 18 minus 6 is 12, then 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. So, how many times you have subtracted 6? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that is 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4, right? 6 can be subtracted from 24 4 times. So, we write this as like this. So, 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. This is a division fact. But from multiplication tables, we have what we have. See, if we multiply 6 and 4, we will get 24. So, 6 into 24, 6 into 4 is equals to 24. This is a multiplication fact, and 4 into 6 is equals to 24. It is also a multiplication fact. So, for one division fact, there are 2 multiplication facts. Also, for every multiplication fact, there are 2 division facts. For example, 5 into 3 is equals to 15. This is multiplication fact. Now, 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5 and 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. So, for this multiplications fact, we have 2 division fact, right? Number 4, division using multiplication tables. Consider the following example. Example 1, divide 30 by 6. Read the multiplication table of 6 till you reach 30. We get 30 on reading the table up to 5th stage. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. So, 30 divided by 6 is equals to 5. It is a complete division. We say 30 is exactly divisible by 6. Example 2, divide 27 by 5. We read the multiplication table till we reach 27. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. Okay. So, we have to, what we have to do, we have to divide 27 by 5. Okay. Now, 30 is greater than 27. So, we can't consider this. So, we will take this one. 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. So, we will divide 27 by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, and 2 is what? 2 is remainder, right? So 27 is not exactly divisible by 5. Okay. Next, basic terms used in division. Number 1, dividend. It is the number that we divide. In example 227 is the dividend. For example, if I tell you about this, see, we are here dividing 27, so this is the dividend. Okay. Number 2, divisor. It is the number by which we divide. In example 2, 5 is the divisor. Okay. See, we were dividing 27 by 5. 27 is dividend, the number which we divide, and the number which divides, that is divisor. Okay. So 5 is the divisor. See, quotient, it is the result we obtain after division. In example 2, 5 is the quotient and the remainder. Sometimes the dividend is not exactly divisible by the divisor. The number left undivided is called the remainder. In example 2, 2 is the remainder. See, this example, 2 5s are 25 and 2. See, this is quotient, okay, and this is remainder. So 4 terms are used in case of division. Okay. 6, division on number line. Use number line to find 20 divided by 5. To find 20 divided by 5 means to find how many 5s are there in 20. Consider the number given line given below. See, we started from 20, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So starting from 20, take back jumps of 5 each to reach 0 as shown in the figure. So how many jumps of 5 each? Exactly how many? 4. So 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. Okay. Let's do exercise 6.1. Divide using a repeated subtraction method. Okay. So here you have to divide 24 by 8 using repeated subtraction method. Okay. So first you will subtract 8 from 24. 24 minus 8 is what? 16. And 16 minus 8 is 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, so how many times we have subtracted? 8, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the answer? 3, right? Properties of division. Property number 1. When a non-zero number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. Any number, if you divide any number by 1, you will get the same number. Okay. No matter how big the number is, whenever you divide any number with 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. Property 2, when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Means if you are dividing 8 by 8, you will get 1. If you are dividing 12 by 12, you will get 1. Okay. And property 3, division of any number by 0 has no meaning. Means you cannot divide any number by 0. Okay. So consider a division. Divide 4 by 0. Okay. Given number is 4. So take away 0. 4 minus 0. What remains? 4. Then again take away 0. 4 minus 0 is what? 4. So thus every time we take 0, we get 4. So division of any number by 0 is meaningless. Remember that, students. Okay. Division of any number by 0 is meaningless. Number 4, property 4. When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. We know that any number into 0 is equals to 0. So whenever you multiply any number by 0, we get a 0. Okay. And whenever we divide 0 by any number, we get a 0. Okay. So when 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. Let's do exercise 6.2. 9 divided by 1. If, as I told you, if any number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. Next, division without remainder, long division method. Example 1 is we have to divide 84 by 6. Okay. So step 1, we arrange the numerals as shown on the left. Means this is ones and this is tens. Okay. Means 8 tens plus 4 ones. So first we divide 8 tens by 6. So 6 ones are 6. Okay. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then we'll bring down 4. Okay, so we write 1 in the tens place in the quotient. Now 6 into 1 is equals to 6. Write 6 in tens place below the dividend. 8 tens minus 6 tens is equals to 2 tens. Okay, write 2 tens as shown and bring down 4 ones. Now divide 24 ones by 6. 6 fours are 24 and 24 minus 24 is 0. Okay, so now step 4, solve. 24 minus 24 is equals to 0. So we get 0 as the remainder. Okay, here we have divisor 6 and quotient 14. Okay, this is the divisor, and this is the quotient, and remainder is what? 0. Okay, example 2, 606 divided by 6. First we will take this number, 6 ones are 6. Okay, so we first divide 6, we divide hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. This is hundreds. Okay, so 6 hundreds divided by 6 is equals to 100. Now we divide 0 tens by 6 is equals to 0 tens. Okay, see, if we bring down this, 6 zeros are 0 and then bring down 6. Okay, 6 ones are 6, and if we subtract 6 from 6 we will get 0. So this is 0, remainder is there, this is quotient, and this is your divisor. Okay, similarly students, you will do other examples also. Okay, now let's do exercise 6.3. Divide and find the quotient. 66 divided by 6. First we will take this number which is at tens place. 6 ones are 6, then bring down 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so this is your quotient, right? Next, division with remainder. Divide 883 by 5 and check the answer. Okay, let's divide. Let's do it. We have to divide 883 by 5. See, first we will take this number. 5 ones are 5, remaining 3, then bring down 8. 5 sevens are 35. 8 minus 5 is 3, then bring down this 3. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, this is your quotient and this is remainder. Now we have to check also. Checking the answer, see, we know that dividend is equals to what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so the formula is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor? Divisor is 5. Quotient is what? 176 plus remainder is 3. Okay, so here you will get 880 plus 3. 880 plus 3 is 883, which is equals to dividend. That means your answer is correct. Okay. In example 2, you have to divide this number by 8 and also you have to check the result. Okay. So you will divide in this way only. Okay, like we did in example 1. Now let's do division by 10. Consider the following examples. Divide 78 by 10. Okay, let's divide it. 10 sevens are 70. 8 is the remainder. Okay, and if you divide 563 by 10, what will you get? 10 5s are 50, then 6 remainder, you will bring down 6. 10 6, bring down 3. 10 6 are 60 and 3 is the remainder. Okay, so here quotient is what? 7 and 8 is remainder. In this question, quotient is 56, which is this, and remainder is 3. Okay, and example 7 also, if you check this, quotient is 847 and remainder is 8. So what do we observe from here? We see that when a number is divided by 0, the quotient is obtained by removing the units digit from the number. Means 78, we were dividing it by 10. So quotient is obtained by removing the unit digit, means this digit. If you remove this digit, you will get the quotient, which is 7. And the digit at units place is always the remainder. See, this is the remainder. Okay, in this case also, if you remove this unit place digit, you will get the quotient, which is 56, and this digit is the what? Remainder. Okay, now let's do exercise 6.4. First question is, you have to divide 384 by 8. Okay, so first we will take these two numbers. 8 4s are 32. 8 minus 2 is 6, then 4. 8 8s are 64, and remainder is 0. Okay. Next, division by a 2-digit number. Here example 1 is you have to divide 175 by 13. Okay, so 13 ones are 13, 7 minus 3 is 4, and then we'll bring down 5. 13 threes are 39. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, now working explanations, write the numerals as shown. Step 2, the first two digits form 17 tens. Okay, we took first two digits, divide 17 tens by 13, that is 13 into 1 is equals to 13. Write 1 at quotient place and write 13 below 17. 17 minus 13 is equals to 4 tens. And step 3, bring down 5. 4 tens plus 5 ones is equals to 45 ones. Divide 45 ones by 13. 13 into 3 is equals to 39. So write 39 below 45. Okay. Example 2, see you have to divide 5321 by 16. First you will take these two numbers, 16 threes are 48, then 13 minus 8 is 5, and we'll bring down 2. 16 threes are 48, then 12 minus 8 is 4, and then we'll bring down 1. Then 16 twos are 32 and 9. So 9 is the remainder and 332 is the quotient. Okay. Now let's do exercise 6.5. You have to divide 156 by 12. Okay. So first we'll take these two numbers which are at tens place and 100 place. Okay. So 12 ones are 12. 5 minus 2 is a 3. Then bring down 6. 12 threes are 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay. So in this case remainder is 0 and 13 is the quotient. Okay. Now word problems on division. A bottle of cold drink costs rupees 7. How many bottles of cold drink can be bought for rupees 889? See, cost of one bottle of cold drink is given. Total money which was spent is also given. Now we have to find out how many bottles of cold drinks can be bought from the total amount. Okay, so what will you do? You will divide 889 by 7. So what will we get? 7 ones are 7. 1 remainder, bring down 8. 7 twos are 14. 8 minus 4 is 4, then bring down 9. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so 127 bottles. Okay, you can purchase from this amount. Number 2, the product of two numbers is given. If one of the number is given, then what is the other number? Okay, see this is, let's take a simple example. Product of two number is given which is 15, okay, and one of these number is 3. Then what will be the other number? Okay, you will say the other number is 5 because 3 into 5 is 15, correct. But how will we get this 5? We will get this 5 by dividing this number by this number. Means we will divide product from the given number, right? If you divide 15 by 3, we will get a 5. So 5 is the answer, right? Similarly, in this case also, what will you do? Product is given which is 7,352, and one of the number is given which is 8. So we have to find another one. Let's divide it. 8 nines are 72. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then bring down 5. 8 ones are 8. Okay. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then bring down 2. 8 nines are 72. Okay, so 919 is the other number, right? Let's do exercise 6.6. Work out the following word problems. Okay, number 1. There were 1,350 sweets to be shared among 5 children. How many sweets will each child get? Okay, total sweets, total number of sweets, 1,350. Okay. Number of children, how many number of children are there? 5. So now we have to find out how many sweets will each child get. So each child will get how many sweets? We will divide 1,350 by 5. So let's divide it. (1,350) divided by 5. We'll take these two numbers. 5 twos are 10, 3, then bring down 5. 5 sevens are 35, then 0, 5 zeros are 0. Okay. So 270 means each child will get 270 sweets. Okay, students. Now here comes the end of this chapter. Now you will do practice of the remaining exercise.